Hi everybody, Bob with Knives Town here. Today we're going to take a look at a Spyderco knife. This is an excellent little pocket accessory to carry around. This particular model is the Ladybug Tattoo. And the Spyderco Ladybug model has been around for a while. The Tattoo, of course, is one that has an etching design on it, such as this one does. The Ladybug is the name of the type of etching. It comes with some literature. This is the Spyderco Education pamphlet that comes with their knives, and it just gives you a little bit of information about the knife and its characteristics. Ships in bubble wrap for protection. There we go. Let's get a close-up on this. What a nice little knife this is. There you go. Can you see that pretty well? This is the Ladybug Tattoo design, and as you can see, there's a sort of a field scene there with prairie grass and then a ladybug right there. I'll show you a little bit there. The other side is just available for maybe your own etching. You know, if you want to give this as a gift, you could etch something right there as a presentation. Really colorful. That etching is on there permanently. When the knife ships, it does have plastic film on each side of the knife that protects the handle. I've removed it for this review. This is actually my wife's knife. She bought this for herself. You can see there's no seam there. You can't see any. As the parts are mated together, there's no appearance of any seam whatsoever. Very, very well constructed, high quality. Let's open it up. There we go. Technical specs there. That blade is 1.9 inches. So it is under even the most strictest legal limit. It is 2 millimeters thick. And it is a hollow ground blade. You can see it does have a flat spot here where the grind, above the grind. So if you're using clamp type resharpening system, it'll work well for that. There's the Spyder logo. It does have jimping there on the rise, on the thumb ramp, right before the thumb hole. The blade is made of VG10 steel, and the handle is just stainless steel. The knife is assembled in Seiki City, Japan. Overall length of the knife when it's open is 4.3 inches, and the weight is 1.2 ounces. This is really a great little pocket accessory. You know, it does come with a lanyard hole here, which you could use for a lanyard or perhaps just a keychain. You know, so it's a very easy carry knife. You could this could easily be a keychain knife. You know, as that would hang there, or you could slip this into your pocket it lays so flat. You can see, look at that. That can't be more than 6 or 7 millimeters at the most. I'd say maybe 6 at the most. It's very flat. It lays flat. It's flat on both sides, so there's no clip or anything. So it can easily fit in a pocket where you wouldn't even know it was there, in the watch pocket of a pair of jeans. You know, it could slip easily into an interior pocket or compartment in a purse. Like I said, it could be worn on a key ring, keychain. It could be etched, so if you're going to use it for a gift as a presentation. The thumb hole allows one-handed opening. And even though it's a small knife, the ergonomics are really good. You can see they've put you know, finger grooves there, and your hand does just naturally fall into that. It does fit very well. You can see there. So your thumb gets right there on the jimping, and then those finger grooves. You can get a good purchase on that. Good grip. The handle is chamfered on all the edges, rounded there. So there's no you know, sharp edges. There's no, you know, it makes it comfortable in the hand like that. It's easy to work with. Yeah, no matter how big your hand is, this knife can be held comfortably. Sharp? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got a good sharp edge on it. Yeah, I always like the Spyderco design, you know, with this thumb hole and then the thumb ramp there, because, you know, you get good downward pressure as well as forward backup pressure there. It's a good idea. It's a great design. This is just a great little cutter. It's a great little pocket companion there that you can you know, you can take out and do any little cutting chore with. It gives you the safety of a lock back, and that's as solid and wiggle free. And the lock has the little indentation there. It's indented, so you're not going to accidentally open it with hand pressure. You press down, of course, and that's how it's released. It's attractive. Yeah. A lot of good things to say about that knife. That is the Spyderco Ladybug tattoo. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again.